Welcome back, everybody. Okay, so I had somebody leave a comment on my video about the bars, asking if I can do the same type of thing but in relationships as opposed to life. And to be perfectly honest, it's very much the same sort of thing. So at the very start of your script, before, like when you're up still doing all the images and stuff like that you want to have, we have here's the life bars. And they're already set to 100 each because that's the full maximum thing that we have set in our bars thing. This case we're going to have 0 for each because there's no relationship yet. You could start it however you want, really. So depending on what type of relationship you want, if they already have a bit of a relationship with somebody that they can lose, maybe each character, when they're starting the game, you're sort of already set with a certain relationship per character, and then it can go up and down from there. We're going to start with 0, okay? That's all you need to know up here. We're right down to where we are now. Nothing has changed really other than right at where we are now. So this is the question that we are with. So, because yelling at her would probably make her not like you that much, you're going to lose 25 points, which we have 0 points in this case, so it doesn't matter. Or we can gain 25 points. So in this case, we are going to gain 25 points, so be nice to her. Okay, past that, nothing else really matters. We're going to skip all the way through to the fight. Okay, we're going to jump down here to the fight. Where is it? So right here I have fight equals true. This now allows us, if we go up to the bars that we have here, this will now allow us to have just this set of bars. Okay, so I have these ones here and only these ones. These ones are not showing. Okay, so that's how you can have multiple sets of bars if you want. So if fight equals true, it's going to show these 2 bars, which is what we're seeing right now. And as you can see, the range is 100. Both of them are at 100 right now. They have full life. We're going to pounce. Okay, and again, in this case, if you guys have not seen this whole scene here was done with the last video that I did. Okay, so if you want to see how to make the bars in general, I'm not doing that in this video. It's the last video, okay? This was a whole randomized fight scene that I did. Okay, so Zane won that fight. So now, let me just get down to the end of the fight here real quick with you guys. This is where we're at now. There is no such thing as scene white, so it's just a gray screen, which works for me at the moment. I hid the screen bars. We now have fight equals false. Before we go, real quick, I want to show you guys, so then now we had the fight equals false, so now it's going to show these bars, okay? So that's what made it different, that's how you do it. You can have 2 sets of bars, you can have 3 sets of bars, you can have whatever set of bars you want. If maybe someone's on a date with one character, so you only want their bar to show up, then you can have if this person equals true, and then you have to set it up at the top of your script as well to make sure that you know the default fight equals false, and then you just change it throughout the game however you want. Okay? Okay, we'll continue back into what I was saying. And I gave both characters a little bit of points. But remember, we already have 25 points already with her because we were nice to her at the beginning. So, when the bars show, it will show hers as more. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways of having the bars show for this. Okay, this is where we are at now. Who does LeVar like the most? And it's the same question each time, just so I could show you guys each time how to do it a little differently. You obviously would put your own questions. But this is what we're looking at right now. And so I'm going to put her name. So her bar has gone up. The other one has gone down 10 points. And you can see that the bar stays on the screen. It's not going to leave. Okay, so we have show screen bars. She's saying thank you at the moment. And then when I click the mouse button again, it will hide the screen. Okay, so that's one way you can show it. Now we're going to see a different way. Down here, we're going to click the same character again. And instead, it's going to show screen bars. It's going to pause for 2 seconds with the bars up. then it's going to hide the screen. Okay? And then she'll say thank you. So watch what happens. Thank you. Okay. So that's another way you could do it. Now we have it down here where it's automatically showing the bars. It's not taking them down. So we can say her name again. It says thank you. And then just as a little thing for you guys, if you want. So if you're using these points for a relationship type thing, if the points are over 40, she now says, you must really like me. Okay? Just a little something extra you can do. That has nothing to do with the bars. That's just that. Now it's going to ask again, but this time it has a new option. It says, of course it's her. So I want to just quickly show you guys as well with this. So it's going to say, of course it's her, because if we have 55 or more points with her. Now if we had 55 or more points with the other one, it would show her name. Okay? So that's how it is. That's how you could do that if you wanted to do a point system and you also wanted to add menu stuff with it. That has nothing to do with the bars. So I'm hoping that this answered your question. I hope that this answered your question. If not, leave a comment down below. This is going to be one of the last videos where I will be able to fully answer any comments with a video. If you guys need any help, if you have any questions about something to do with Ren'py, if you've left a comment before in the past and you haven't had it answered, if you can repost it on this video here. I'm just going to use this video right now to kind of be a quick look at because of, well, what I'm about to announce. Okay, if all you guys wanted to see was the Ren'py video itself and you don't really care, you're not subscribed to my channel or anything, you can feel free to click off at this point now. There's going to be no more random Ren'py talk. But for those of you who are subscribed and do want to know what's going on, I am going to be moving to another country, but it's only going to be for a year. So, I have videos planned throughout the year, and I'm planning on doing one Ren'py video a month, one quick little sketch doodle speed thing a month, and then one game per season. So there's going to be like several videos of gaming during that game coming out, because most games, I don't think any of them have just one video, so you're going to have like a few of them come out, but once that game is done, there won't be another one until the next season. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that that's sort of going to be happening on this channel, and that I hope that you guys will still stick with me. I really want to continue doing more Ren'py stuff for you when I get back. I know that this is probably one of my more popular collection of videos. What I have been thinking of doing is starting out a new Ren'py game thing with you guys and just sort of doing little bits and pieces so that basically by the end of the year you'll have gone from very basic videos to a little bit more complex and a little bit more complex and a little bit more complex until I get back. Now when I first get back, it's unlikely I'm going to be able to continue pumping out a video a month right away when I first get back, but I will sort of go through the videos, comments that were left from you guys, and I'll see if there is any comments or questions that need to be answered in a video as opposed to just text message stuff, like me just writing you guys in a text thing, comment, you know? So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, but I did want to let my subscribers know that yes, it's going to kind of seem like it's overrun by gaming videos, but there should be at least one Ren'py video a month for you guys to look forward to. I'm trying for that. There may be a small chance that I can't do it. I'll try to let you guys know at least in like the community tab or something like that to let you know, oh, this month isn't going to have a Ren'py video, stuff like that. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching all these videos. It means a lot to me. Like this video if you have enjoyed the Ren'py stuff, and I will see you guys in the next Ren'py video, which will probably be a very basic video, but maybe you guys will stop by, leave a like or something, just to let me know you guys are still watching. And I will be back in May 2024. If you guys want to know anything more about like what I'm doing while I'm gone, I'm going to have another YouTube channel. I'm just trying to get it verified, but it won't let me verify it for some stupid reason. So I'll leave a link in the description for that if you guys are interested in seeing my adventures away from here. I will also be making a main channel announcement probably in May, just before I'm leaving. Just so you guys know, and so everybody knows again. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a heads up because you guys are my probably top supporters is my Ren'py video people who watch that. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope it's a good year for everybody. Bye-bye.